Have you ever felt like your prayers were taking too long to be answered? Like you've done your part, studied hard, worked honestly, but still, breakthrough didn't come? I've been there, and I want to tell you what happened when God told me to wait. Right after graduation, I did what most dream of. I took the board exam. I wanted to be a genetic engineer, but I didn't pass. The pain hit differently. I felt discouraged, confused, and honestly disappointed with myself. So I made a tough choice. I left the country and worked abroad in Taiwan, particularly as a wire bonder operator, an OFW, since there was no hiring in government service that time. I stayed there for 6 years, far from home, far from my dreams. And in that season, I started asking, Lord, why the delay? But I kept moving forward. I kept working. I kept trusting quietly, painfully, sometimes, and patiently waiting for God's timing. After 6 years, I came back to the Philippines and decided to live back home for good. Started again, but this time as a contractual government employee. I tried to be part of this service as a public employee since my mom worked on that agency for a long time. Still not in the position I studied for. Still not a licensed engineer. I took the board exam again and again and again. A decade passed. I took a leap of faith. I applied for study leave and enrolled at Review Innovation in Manila. And I'll be honest, I was behind. The gap in learning was obvious, but for the first time, I didn't feel defeated. I felt grateful because even though I was behind, I saw that I could still learn, I could still grow. Then the pandemic hit. Most saw it accursed, but to me it gave me the time I desperately needed. Work from home gave me breathing room to study, reflect, and catch up. I realized that my time working in different sections actually trained me. I was learning the real world side of my profession all along. And then, after years of trying, years of waiting, I passed. I finally became a licensed genetic engineer. I thank God for God's favor. And not just that, I got promoted. God didn't just fulfill that dream, He rewarded the wait with something even better: experience, growth, and strength I didn't know I was gaining. Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3: For the vision is yet for an appointed time, but the end it shall speak, and not lie. Though it tarry, wait for it, because it will surely come. It will not tarry. This verse reminded me that delay isn't denial. When God says wait, He's not punishing you. He's preparing you. So if you're waiting right now on a dream, a result, a promise, don't give up. God's delay isn't the end. It might just be the beginning of something great. People probably thought I was being unrealistic, but here's what they didn't see. I was still hoping, still believing, still waiting to wait on God. Your reason of waiting is not wasted. It's woven with purpose. Thank you for listening to my story. If this touched your heart, like and share this video. Someone out there might need to hear this today.